Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I will be showing you how I apply my wig, the wig that was for my birthday. So, the link to this wig will be down in the description, and I did purchase it from Amazon. It was a 4x4 closure, 20-inch body wig. So to make the wig a little bit longer, I did add a body weight bundle of 28-inch to the wig. I just went through in section and glued the track so it could be a little longer because 20 inches is a little short on me. So yeah. So in the beginning of this video, I did use my Got to Be Glued gel, the black kind, to push back my edges so they can be, out of the way from the lace glue or whatever. And then I put on this new cap, and now you see me applying makeup to the part where my closure will be, so it can blend better. And now I'm just taking alcohol and a washcloth and cleaning the area where my lace glue will be applied to. And now I'm just applying makeup to the closure itself so it can blend better. And y'all, if you see me talking in this video, I was gonna do a talk through, but the audio was just so bad. It was so bad. So now I'm just doing a voiceover. So then I applied, my cap was moving, so I took the wig off and applied some Got to Be Glue gel and the freeze spray so it can stay in place for a little bit. And I did blow dry. It off camera. And now I'm going in with my Erica J, the watermelon kind. It smells so good, y'all. And this lace glue, it works like magic. It's just the bomb. Go buy it. Go get it. And now I'm just applying. I did do 3 layers. And now I'm just waiting for the first layer to turn clear, and then you see me applying my second layer, and I do this until I get to the 3rd layer and it's ready for the lace to be glued down. So I did put the lace down, and now I'll be going in with an elastic band to make sure it stays in place. So now it's time to cut the lace, and you see me removing the elastic band. And now I'm about to cut the lace in two, so it'll be easier to cut off. And then I'll be using my razor blade to actually do it like in a zigzag motion. It'll be easier. And now I'll just do that to both sides. And then after that, I'll be taking my Got To Be Glue freeze spray and putting my elastic band back on. And that's basically it for this install. The next day I actually did my makeup and put curls in it. I did not record the curls part, sorry, but if you would like to see a curling video, let me know down in the comments. I actually curled with my flat iron, so if you would like to see that, let me know down in the comments. And if you like this video, and if you have any suggestions or reviews or comments or whatever, leave it down in the comment section. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.